Dear viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows a case of missed abortion or missed miscarriage with pregnancy of about 7 weeks. A missed abortion is a missed miscarriage in which the fetus didn't form or fetal demise had occurred, but the placenta and embryonic tissues are still in the uterus. It is known more commonly as missed miscarriage. It is also sometimes called silent miscarriage. A missed abortion is not an elective abortion. Now you can see this is the embryo seen in the gestational sac. Fetal death in uterus, FDIU, also called intrauterine death, IUD, is a term used when death of the fetus occurs after the 20 weeks of pregnancy. Prior to this, it is considered a miscarriage. Some women do not experience any symptoms of miscarriage at all. However, possible miscarriage signs beside bleeding include mild to severe cramps, pain in the back or abdomen, loss of pregnancy symptoms such as nausea or vomiting, white pink mucus, passing tissue or clot-like material. With the ultrasound, a miscarriage may be diagnosed under the following circumstances. There are visible abnormalities or lack of development of gestation sac. There is lack of fetal heartbeat that was previously seen. The embryo larger than 5 mm in size doesn't have a heartbeat. Now you can see there is no blood flow seen, no blood flow visible inside the embryo or inside the gestation sac. There is no blood flow visible. One percent of normal uncomplicated pregnancies result in fetal death. In 50% of fetal death in vitro, no cause is identified. With the ultrasound, miscarriage may be diagnosed and there are visible abnormalities or lack of development of gestation sac. Now the causes of the miscarriages. You can see the fetus of about 7 weeks in which no blood flow is seen, no fetal cardiac activity is visible, neither are the fetal movements. Now the causes of miscarriages may be classified as maternal causes, hypertension, also called gestational hypertension, blood group incompatibility, metabolic disorders, intrauterine infections. Then there are fetal causes and they may include major skeletal abnormalities, umbilical cord complications, looping, knotting, twisting and straight cord. Then there may be placental causes, chronic placental insufficiency, placental abruption, chorioamnionitis. Now the radiological features on ultrasound are absent fetal heartbeat, absent fetal movements. Most of time bleeding is the first sign of miscarriage. However, miscarriage can occur without bleeding or other symptoms may appear first. Many women prefer the term pregnancy loss to miscarriage. Now, most miscarriages happen in the first trimester before the 12th week of pregnancy. Miscarriage in the second trimester, that is between 13 to 19 weeks, happens in 1 to 5 in 100 pregnancies, 1 to 5%. Pregnancies, as many as half of all pregnancies may end in miscarriages. Now the silent miscarriage symptoms are, it is common to have no symptoms with missed miscarriage. Sometimes there may be brownish discharge. You may also notice that early pregnancy symptoms such as nausea and breast soreness lessen or disappear. In the second half of the first trimester, the rate of miscarriage was between 2 and to 4%. Between weeks 13 and 20, the risk of experiencing a miscarriage is less than 1%. By 20 weeks, a miscarriage is known as a stillbirth and may still cause a woman to go into labor. Now, as you have seen in this case, there is no fetal cardiac activity and there is no blood flow seen in the fetus. Also, the fetal movements are also missing. So these are the main and major signs and symptoms. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. If you do like this video, please click the like button. Thanks.